Gever de oomlet zich op zich doen kan dieren in Boro Park. Ja, het staat niet zo kan dieren, maar ik heb getroffen. Een heerlijke dieren. Kijk, de host gaat erover to 4407 15th Avenue, the heart, the schmaltz in Boro Park. Beautiful, two beautiful apartments that are left. Gever lam ging kwazen. Nee, het gaat snel. Call the number. I like the number after the vader was the video. Just because the guy going sehr schnell. You don't want to lose it. So, laat maar aangaan en ik like the number on the screen and come with me on the tour. Okay, Gever, ik ben er over the steps. While the elevator nog eens gedraaid, but still a beautiful elevator over here, Gever. Goes all the way up, all the way down, and it comes straight into your house. So there's no waiting, no nothing. The elevator comes around badig and holds a special code, and you walk in with your carriage with your shopping bags into your house. And magaya. So let's start over here, Gever. Look at the dining room, 30 wide. The hose is 30 wide, which you don't have anymore in Boro Park, a 30 wide house. 30 wide by 70, kamat 70 long, 2,000 square feet. Dining room has a porch going along the whole dining room. So it's a 30 wide porch. The view is incredible. Door hem arbeid doet, dat is zo schwer. It's an incredible view. You have the whole floor porch. The ganze goes along the whole floor. So you have a 30 feet wide porch. Big dining room and living room with a window. This a fence that's going to the kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen. A very big kitchen. Coming with full appliances, high-end appliances. You're moving in ready with all the appliances, high-end, top appliances. Central air conditioner in the whole house. But I'm going to say yiddish. These the pipes. This is everybody knows this is the split unit pipes. Why do they have split units? Because in the summer it's a heist. You don't want to have the central air conditioner on the whole house. You only need it in the back, in the bedroom. So you could shut the central and put on the split units on the back of the house. They're setting up split units as well. Noch yiddish. Cast iron steam. So when it's the winter, a lot of people complain about the split unit ear. As the central ear is not good heat. Doesn't give off good heat. So they're putting in cast iron steam. Everybody loves that, the good old steam. Okay, so we covered the dining room and the kitchen, the bathroom, a full bathroom over here. Behind it, you have the laundry room. Zahra goes to a laundry room. Coming with all appliances, like we said. First bedroom over here, with the shine fenced it. Here we have the master bedroom, the choira. It's with a private bathroom, a full bathroom, walk-in closet. Big bedroom with a window, of course. In this door, the choira, this activus connects in a bedroom. If you want to have your kid, your baby sleeping in the next bedroom, the ocha bedroom, the bedroom with a fenced it. And there's a door to the back porch off of this bedroom. I'm making the view. Yeah, back of the view. You don't have this view anywhere. You're under the sky. You can meet in ganz Boro Park do from the fenced it. Wow, if you're scared of heights, I'm just kidding. It's beautiful view. Beautiful view from the porch. And I couldn't get onto the front porch because they're still working on it, but I'm sure you have the same view on the front porch. Beautiful geschmack view. Mit in ganz Boro Park. Ganz Manhattan. Wow, beautiful. So Gever, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms, nice big kitchen, nice, very big and spacious dining room. Beautiful huge porch, elevator that goes straight into your house. High ceiling, I'd say probably 11 feet the ceiling. Very high ceiling. Bequem, hoog. Everybody asks, Chaim, Perlowitz, you give promotions on houses also? Yes, there's a Perlowitz promotion on the house. If you found the number, I like on the screen a number. If you found the number, and say you saw it in the Chaim Perlowitz Show for a special promotion on the house. If you found it's not going to stay this house, so it's going to fly very quick like all the other floors. The only floors that are available is the 5th and 6th floor. All the other floors are taken already. 5th and 6th floor only. If you say it's on the Perlowitz Show for a special discount.